Guys, think if you're not in your home and someone is trying to steal something from your home, isn't that so much disturbing to you? So let's make something good. So, like a security system which will tell you by message or any call that someone is actually trying to getting into your home. In today's video, I'll tell you how easily you can make your own security system in your home so that if someone is trying to enter your home, you will easily get notification in your mobile so that you will take simple steps to save your house. So without wasting a time, let's start it. So guys, let's see what are the things we needed to work with this project. We need a PIR sensor, the passive infrared sensor, then a basic Arduino Uno board and a SIM900A module for sending messages or make a call like that, and of course a power supply to a Arduino Uno board. You can provide the 12 volt supply to the power socket of Arduino board. That's all. These things are more than enough for a safety security system in your home. Now let's move to the circuit section. In the circuit section, as you can see, the PIR sensor output pin is connected to the 7th pin of Arduino Uno board. So this will be the input pin for the Arduino Uno board, because the output pin of PIR sensor will give only a digital value, either high or low. So again, the 5 volt supply to VCC and ground connection. It is very much simple. If you still want to learn more about the PIR sensor, the link of the video is in description. Please go and watch that video first, then you will get an idea, detailed idea about the PIR sensor. Now next is SIM900A. This module is very much useful to do a call using your bin SIM network, like any SIM you having, any pack, message pack or call pack, you can make a message or call to the required person easily. Now the TX of SIM900A is connected to 9th pin of Arduino board. Similarly, RX pin is to 10th pin and VCC ground to the corresponding 5 volt and ground. Now you may have doubt why to 9th and 10th pin. Why not TX of SIM is connected to the RX of Arduino board and the RX to TX of Arduino board? Generally many people have this question. So there is a reason behind that. Generally, while dumping any program to the Arduino Uno board, if the TX and RX pin is connected to some devices, then the program can't be dumped to it. So for that reason, we used to connect it to some other PWM pins, pulse width modulation pins. The 9th and 10th pin of Arduino board is a PWM pins. Now after giving the connections, let's go to the coding part. This is the most important part, guys. You have to look to it. So without wasting, let's move to coding part. Guys, is before going to coding part, I will say, if you don't know about PIR sensor or SIM900A communication module, then refer the link in the description. First learn about these both things, then come back over here, and you must not have any doubts while doing the project. That's why, guys, I'm telling you, first watch those videos, then come back over here. Guys, in the software section, in the first line, I have included one header file called softwareserial.h. If you download the Arduino from online, you must not have this library. So what you have to do, you have to download it. I have given a link in the description. Download the libraries from there. After downloading, just unzip the RAR file. In that, you will see that you have the library folder. Now what you have to do, you have to go to Arduino folder. Now inside that you have the libraries folder. What you have to do, paste it here, because in my that library folder I have all the kind of libraries files available. So in the future also you don't have any trouble for any kind of program. So please do paste it and continue with your programming part. Now in the next line you can see it's written software serial dot my serial. So I'm creating an object for the software serial and giving the 9th and 10th pin of Arduino board. As you know, 9th and 10th pin is connected to TX and RX of SIB 900A in place of TX and RX. If you don't know why I am giving this connection, please do watch that video in the description section. Now I am declaring the PIR pin as 7. You know that I am connecting my 7th pin of Arduino board to PIR output pin. Now for PIR status, I am declaring a variable and giving the value 0 to it. Now in the setup section we have to give the baud rate for the both serial baud rate for both the serial monitor, also baud rate for the GSM model, so they will communicate with each other. Remember guys, these two baud rates should be same, otherwise it won't work. Again pin mode PIR pin input, I am declaring the PIR pin, that is 7th pin, as input pin. Again in next line I am declaring writing this pin as high. Why? Because we have to pull up this pin guys, because input pin generally fluctuates a lot and has to be pull up for getting the data from the digital input pin. Now let's move to the loop section. In while loop I am taking the data from the PIR sensor. If it is high condition, then a function name with send message will be called, and then once it is over, then make call function will be called. Then a delay of 60 seconds is given. It will wait for 60 seconds until, if once think, if a person comes to your house, you will get a message before itself. You will take the decision. If the person is not moving from there, then after 60 seconds again message will come. You can change it to your desired values, like you can give more delay like 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Just if it is in milliseconds, so give the delay value accordingly. Now in the next line you can say if there is no person is available in your door, then it will take a delay of 1 second and it will continue the loop. Now coming out of the void loop, I have a function called send message and make call. So let's talk about send message. If you have seen that video in the description, you must not have any doubt why I am doing this, but still I'll tell you again. In my serial.println, it will send data to your GSM model that text mode has been active. Now next you have to provide your mobile number there in this section. Message will be forwarded to that I have given Sumit alert someone at your doorstep already. So someone is at your doorstep, a message will come to my phone. Again a star has to be provided to cut this message, so message will be forwarded to me. Next, as you have seen in the loop section, make a call function is in the next step. So what is make call function? In the make call function, as you can see, a command will be sent to your GSM model with the phone number. So a call will be done by your model, and you will receive a call from the SIM that you have provided in the GSM model. So by chance, if you are sleeping and you won't able to listen that message has arrived, there is a secondary of this, you will get a call also. Now you will get up and take the necessary action as per needed. So that's all for programming section guys. Now the remaining part is under your section. After doing all the connection guys, I don't know how your door availability is there. I will tell you, at the main door, outside your door, just give this connection, because the feasibility, or you can say efficiency of this sensor, PIR sensor, is up to 6 to 10 meter. So up to 10 meter of radius, it will see if any person comes, it will send you message and make a call. That's all for this all thing. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. This program is available in my personal web page, link in the description. Also, if you have any suggestion like in what topics I should make videos in, like technical of course, then give me suggestion, I will make videos on it. And also guys, I will say please do like, subscribe my channel and support it. Thank you guys.